Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can see pending Robux on your Roblox account. For that you need to go to roblox.com, which is the official website of Roblox. Once you're in roblox.com, make sure to log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, it's going to bring you over here. Now over here at the top right corner, you can see this little Robux icon. Click on the Robux icon, and from over here, you can see this option called My Transitions. Click on My Transitions. From inside My Transitions, right below where it says incoming Robux, it's going to show you pending Robux. Now I don't have any pending Robux, that's why I don't have the option called pending Robux. But in your case, if you guys have any pending Robux, it's going to show you pending Robux, and right beside pending Robux, it's going to show you the amount, which means how many Robux it's pending in your account. Alright, that is basically how you guys can see pending Robux. But as you guys can see, if you don't have any pending Robux, it's going to be empty. But if you have, then it's going to show you an option called pending Robux, and at the end it's going to show you the amount. So hope you understand on how you guys can see pending Robux in Roblox. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.